To solve a 3 by 1 digit division problem, we need to remember a few steps. To do this, I think of Dad, Mother, Sister, Brother, Rover. If you can remember these family names together, you can remember all 5 steps of your long division problem. Let's say these a few times together. Dad, Mother, Sister, Brother, Rover. Dad, Mother, Sister, Brother, Rover. Now each of these steps stands for something we need to do. The Dad step needs to help you remember to divide. Next, the Mother step needs to help you remember to multiply. Sister helps you subtract. Brother helps you bring down. And your dog Rover helps you repeat or find the remainder. Now when we use these steps together, we'll cycle through them until we are out of numbers in the dividend. Let's go through this one together. First, we need to look at the 5 in the dividend and divide it by 6, or determine how many times 6 fits into 5. 6 actually doesn't fit into 5 for this problem, so we're going to slide and look at the first 2 numbers together, 54. Again, we need to determine or divide 6 into 54. 6 fits into 54 9 times. Next, we need to multiply. I like to put a little multiplication symbol here when you're starting to remember what you're multiplying. We need to take the divisor, 6, and multiply it by the number we just put on top, 9. 6 times 9 is 54. After we multiply, we need to subtract. We subtract 54 minus the number we just got when we multiplied. So for this problem, it'll be 54 minus 54. That gives us 0. The next step, brother, means we need to bring down the next number in the dividend, which is the 3. When we do this, we end up getting just a 3. Anytime you can bring down, the next step is always to repeat and start back at the top. Divide. 6 fits into 3 0 times. Next, we need to multiply. 6 times 0 equals 0. Now we need to subtract. 3 minus 0 is 3. We need to look and see if we have any more numbers to bring down in the dividend. For this problem, we don't, which means we have something left over. Since we can't bring down, it means we have a remainder. For this problem, we have a remainder of 3. We need to put a fraction symbol, which actually means the same as division here. And we're dividing by 6. So our answer is 90 and 3/6. Now it's a good idea to use one more pet in the family, the iguana. The iguana helps you remember to do the inverse step, which means we're just going to turn everything around. Since this is a division problem, we're going to use a multiplication problem to check our work. 543 divided by 6 gave us 90 and 3/6. But if we take 90 and 3/6 and multiply it by 6, we should end back up with the number in the dividend, 543. To do that, we're going to take the whole number, 90, and multiply it by 6. 6 times 0 is 0. 6 times 9 is 54. Finally, we need to take our remainder of 3 and add it back to the answer. 540 plus 3 is 543. This number matches our number in the dividend, which is a good thing because that proves our answer is correct. 543 divided by 6 is 90 and 3/6.